Most people miss licensing law questions on the Arizona real estate exam, not because they don't know the content, but because they misread the wording. Welcome back to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam series. In this module, we're walking through Arizona licensing law practice questions and breaking down how the exam tries to test your understanding. Question 1. A real estate salesperson in Arizona passes the state exam but does not submit an application for licensure within 1 year. What must the applicant do? A. Complete continuing education. B. Retake the state exam. C. Pay a late fee. D. Activate the license with a broker. The correct answer is B. Retake the state exam. In Arizona, you must apply for your license within 1 year of passing the state exam. If you miss that window, you must retake and pass the exam again. Watch for timing traps on this exam. Question 2. Which entity regulates and enforces real estate licensing laws in Arizona? A. The Arizona Department of Commerce. B. The Arizona Association of Realtors. C. The Arizona Department of Real Estate. D. The Secretary of State. The correct answer is C. The Arizona Department of Real Estate, or ADRE. The Association of Realtors is a trade organization, not a regulatory body. The exam loves testing that distinction. Question 3. A licensed Arizona salesperson places their license on inactive status. Which activity are they legally permitted to perform? A. List property. B. Negotiate contracts. C. Conduct open houses. D. None of the above. The correct answer is D. None of the above. An inactive license means you are licensed but not authorized to practice real estate. Watch for that wording difference between licensed and authorized. Question 4. How long is an Arizona real estate salesperson license valid before renewal is required? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 4 years. The correct answer is B. 2 years. Renewal requires 24 hours of continuing education, including mandatory categories. Exam strategy tip: when you see a licensing law question, look for words like must, within, before, and unless. Arizona tests procedural details heavily. Slow down on timing questions. Many candidates miss points because they rush. In the next module, we'll cover licensing law memory tools, exam traps, and how to eliminate wrong answers quickly. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.